Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure business contracts with Rocket Lawyer, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure business contracts with Rocket Lawyer, begin by visiting their website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Documents section on the homepage. Click on the business category to find relevant templates. Select the type of business contract you need. Review the available options and choose the template that suits your requirements. Click on the selected contract to begin the customization process. Follow the on-screen prompts to fill in the necessary information for your contract. Be sure to include all essential details, such as parties involved, terms, and conditions. Take your time to review your entries for accuracy. Once you've completed the form, look for the preview option to see your contract. Check for any errors or missing information. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking the Create Document button. You may be asked to select a payment plan if applicable. After payment, your contract will be generated. Download the document in your preferred format, such as PDF or Word. If you need additional edits, you can return to the document and make changes as necessary. Consider consulting a legal professional for advice on your finalized contract. Store the document securely to ensure easy access when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.